Hello everyone, and welcome to break 3340 for the 2020 The Rookies Graded Prizm Football Edition. We want to thank everyone for getting in the break, and all of you watching, we do appreciate it. Let's go ahead and check out the current date and time according to eBay. It's Wednesday, September 16th, 2020. It's 10:31 p.m. Eastern Time, 9:31 p.m. Central Time, and 7:31 p.m. Pacific Time. In the break, we have Spa with 4 spots, Mellow Stello 1, G-Bar 6, Jolene 10, Sport Card 1, G-Bar 2, Marty King 2, Robberman 1, Cirque Fanatic 2, and Staple with 3 spots. So let's randomize everyone 7 times to determine our team or teams for the break. Spa, you're on top. Staple, you're on the bottom once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5, 6, and lucky number 7 has Jolene on top and on the bottom. Jolene, Cardinals, G Barth with the Falcons, Marty King, Ravens, Cirque Fanatic, Bills, Spa, Panthers, Cirque Fanatic, Bears, Jolene, Bengals, G Barth with the Browns, Staple, Cowboys, Jolene, Broncos, G Barth, Lions, Jolene with the Packers, Spa, Texans, G Barth, Colts, Jaguars, Spa, Chiefs, Jolene, Raiders, Chargers, G Barth with the Rams. We have Sport Card with the Dolphins, Jolene, Vikings, Staple with the Patriots, Jolene, Saints, G Barth with the Giants, Spa, Jets, Jolene, Eagles, G-Bar Steelers, Robberman 49ers, Marty King Seahawks, Mellow Stello with the Bucks, Staple Titans, and last but not least, Jolene with the Redskins / Washington football team. All sealed up. I like that score prediction. Whichever team is on the card, that's where the card will go. Seals on both sides. Empty, empty. That's going to be a Gem Mint 9.5 Daniel Jones, Danny Dimes rookie for the New York Giants. Very nice. Rookie Gem Mint 9.5 for the New York Giants. Who has the New York Giants? That's going to G Barth 17. Congrats on break 3340 for the 2020 The Rookies Graded Prizm Football Edition, Gem Mint 9.5 Daniel Jones. We want to thank everyone for getting in the break, and all of you watching, we do appreciate it. Don't forget to hit that red subscribe button right next to your right thumb. You'll find us on eBay and on social media at P2J Sports Cards. We hope to see you all very soon. Stick around for the bonus break spot. And then up next, we have 3341 for the basketball edition of this, the basketball rookie graded Prizm. Thanks.